Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Redmi 10 Prime. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with the name. And at the back, specifications like display, camera, battery and processor. So quickly we'll get inside the box. First, we have this lid. Inside it, we get the SIM ejector tool. Documentation like quick start guide which will give you end-to-end information about the phone, and the silicone back cover which is a good addition from the company. Here we have Redmi 10 Prime. The phone has a punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V3 protection. At the back, we have a 50 megapixel quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom left. The phone looks very stylish. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 18 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Redmi 10 Prime box. Thank you so much for watching this video.